Okay, so I have decided to do some impulsive things today, and I am going to cut my hair. I just keep shedding. It's to a point where I'm like concerned, and so I just feel like if I chop it all off, it'll just make me feel better about myself in a sense. But first, I'm going to Citadel Outlet again because there was a jacket that I saw at H&M and I thought it was super cute. Let's go to Citadel and get the jacket. Okay, so I just came back from Citadel and getting a haircut. So this is what it looks like. I don't like it. But I mean, like, I like the length and how it feels because she cut off a lot. Like, she layered my hair a lot. But it just looks really like splotchy. Unless that's what it's supposed to look like. I don't know, but it's like here and then here. And I'm like, ooh, but it's fine. Alrighty guys, so I did a little bit of a thing and I put up our engagement photos and I put up our calendar, and I'll give you guys a little close-up of my hard work. This is leveled this way and this way, and I made sure of that. I centered the picture frame to the center of the wall so that it is equal on both sides. This calendar is also leveled, and I made sure to like draw the lines. It's still in the center of being level, but it's a little tilted, but that's my bad. Anyways, then I put the string of the light like going like this and down. Here at the bottom is the actual light switch, and you just click it. So yeah, that is what I did, and I'm super proud of myself, and I cannot wait to show Sam once he gets home, and I really hope he notices because I have a feeling that he might not notice, but this is so obvious. If he doesn't notice, I might just get upset. So yesterday I cut Sam's hair, and I don't know if you could see the little boink.
It's fine.
We have to redo it today. Oh, we don't even have time to do it today. But anyways, we are going to my doctor's appointment. I have a lump in my breast. I had one here and then I got it removed, and then there's another one in my other boob. So we are going to check it out.
You're the most beautifulest and gorgeous. Ashley.
We just got done at the doctor's office and I realized I accidentally lied to them. And I kept saying that the cyst in my breast was 3 centimeters when it was 3 millimeters. And I only said that because I read the previous doctor's notes incorrectly. That's my bad. But basically they said they can't do anything and they can't find it. So love that for me. How do you feel?
Well, it's not cancer, so that's good.
Dude, should we get guppies?
Want it? We're here.
Do we have time?
Yeah, we have time. That's good. But
I know I'm gonna be disappointed. I know I'm gonna be.
Try.
Okay, so our shaved ice is the saddest looking shaved ice I have ever seen in my life. We did not make it like that. We did not. Anyways, we also ordered some popcorn chicken, and we also have brick toast coming as well. I'm gonna try this scented. Oh, I miss this flavor. You can't get it anywhere. It was the saddest shaved ice I've ever seen in my life. It was good otherwise. What did you think of it?
I had zero expectations, so it was good.
Oh.
And I'm not picky like you.
That's true. But the door's locked. He's so stupid.
Are you okay?
Oh.
Open it real quick.
Did you unlock it before you left?